Brought to you by Agilus Diagnostics.
Agilus Diagnostics.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Eat Right. In today's fast-paced world, everyone's looking for ways to stay fit and feel good, right? Whether it's hitting the gym, joining a Pilates class, or practicing yoga, we're all trying to find the perfect balance. और ये बैलेंस पाने के लिए योगा काफ़ी लोगों का फेवरेट चॉइस बन गया है because it not only strengthens your body but it also offers much needed stress relief, helping you find balance in a busy life. It's no wonder more and more people are turning to yoga for both physical fitness and mental wellness. Just like with any workout, what you eat plays a crucial role in maximizing its benefits. Hence, it's important to consider what we are eating before and after our yoga sessions. So here are some great pre-yoga food options. Smoothies, which are perfect before yoga. They're easy to digest and give you a quick energy boost, making sure you're ready to hit the mat. Blend together your favorite fruits, a handful of greens, and some yogurt or protein powder for a balanced, refreshing drink. Another option is oatmeal, which is a fantastic choice for sustained energy. It keeps you feeling full and stabilizes your blood sugar so you won't experience that mid-practice slump. Cook some rolled oats with water or milk and top with fresh fruits, nuts, or a drizzle of honey for a little sweetness. On the go, grab a granola bar. These are super convenient and provide a good mix of carbs, proteins, and fiber to keep you energized throughout your practice. Try making your own with oats, nuts, seeds, and a touch of honey for a healthy, satisfying snack. Greek yogurt, which is a light yet satisfying, making it a great pre-yoga snack. It's packed with protein, which is excellent for your muscles, and the probiotics help keep your digestion in check. Pair it with some honey or fresh berries for a touch of sweetness and a burst of flavor. So after yoga, it's essential to refuel your body with the right nutrients to aid recovery. Quinoa salad is a top-notch post-yoga choice. It's loaded with protein and fiber which help you muscle recovery and keep you full for longer. Toss some cooked quinoa with a mix of fresh veggies like cucumbers, tomatoes and bell peppers, then drizzle with a light dressing. This salad is not only delicious but also light and refreshing. Another option is bananas. Bananas are an ideal post-yoga snack. They are great for replenishing the potassium and carbs you have lost during your practice, giving you an instant energy boost. Plus, they are quick, easy, and naturally sweet. But if you're craving a meal or looking for something more filling, you can have paneer bhurji, which is a way to go. It's rich in protein, which is essential for muscle recovery. To make it, saute onions, tomatoes, and your favorite spices, then add some crumbled paneer and cooked until everything is well combined. Another option is khichdi, which is the ultimate comfort food, especially after a calming yoga session. It's easy on the stomach and offers a balanced mix of carbs and protein. But if you're a non-veg lover, you can also have scrambled eggs with chicken. Cook some diced chicken in a pan, then scramble a few eggs with it for a protein-packed dish that's simple, tasty, and perfect for muscle recovery. So remember, yoga is about more than just poses. It's about nourishing your body from the inside out. That's all for today. Keep watching Eat Right and let me know your suggestions in comment section below.